Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting straight to the phone, charge it above 20% and unlock it. Go to Settings, then System, and tap Buttons or search Power button. This opens controls you will change. If the option is hidden, enable Developer Options, because some Vivo skins hide advanced toggles, and return to buttons. Once done, you will see Power Menu Behavior Options. This is where you can swap, add, or remove the shutdown entry. Make sure you follow each tap exactly to avoid accidental resets. You now change the actual switch-off mapping. In Power Menu Settings, find Side Button or Power Button Actions. Choose Long Press to show power options or map Double Press to Quick Launch apps. Change the Power Off toggle to appear in the menu. Why? Because mapping determines what a press does, so you control whether shutdown is shown or hidden. Once set, test by pressing the mapped key, make sure it displays the expected options and that no other gesture overrides it. You finish by saving and then rebooting the phone to ensure the new power-off behavior sticks. If the shutdown option is still missing, clear the Settings app cache or reset button preferences in System Settings because stale cache can prevent UI updates. If problems persist, back up your data and consider a factory reset only as a last resort, since that restores default button behavior. Troubleshooting tip. If the power menu appears briefly then disappears, check for accessibility services or third-party apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.